Good morning, children. Today I'm going to start. Yesterday I have done numericals of cost chapter, cost topic. Okay. Other solutions of the questions which is there in 165. Okay, if you are able to solve, fine. Even if you are not able to solve, I'm going to send those solutions in the attachment. Is it clear? So today let me start the next part of the chapter, that is called revenue concept. Okay, so all of you just open after the cost concept, revenue concept. Okay, we have studied the cost. Now what is revenue? Revenue is the income which is earned by the firm from the sale of its product in a given period of time. रेवेन्यू, हम लोग कॉस्ट एंड रेवेन्यू साथ में पढ़ रहे हैं. तो कॉस्ट का मतलब था द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ इनकम विच अ प्रोड्यूसर इनकर टू प्रोड्यूस अ कमोडिटी. सो आफ्टर प्रोड्यूसिंग अ कमोडिटी, व्हेन द प्रोड्यूसर इज सेलिंग दैट कमोडिटी, आफ्टर सेलिंग वॉट एवर ही इज गेटिंग इन रिटर्न is the income or revenue of the producer. So what you now start writing, all of you write down the next heading in your copy, that is called revenue concept. All of you write in your copy revenue concept. Okay, under revenue concept, first write meaning of revenue. Meaning. First write meaning. Okay, now write down the receipt by a firm from the sale of its product. The receipt by a firm from the sale of its product in a given period of time is called revenue. Is called revenue. So revenue is nothing but receipt. Okay, of whom? Of a firm. By what? From the sale of the product. When? In a given period of time. Is called what? Revenue. I hope you people have understood. Now change the paragraph, then write types of revenue. After meaning, next write types of revenue. Then under this you write revenue is classified into three categories. Revenue is classified into three categories. Number 1, total revenue. Number 2, average revenue. Number 3, marginal revenue. Is it clear? Now, total revenue is nothing but total amount of income received by the firm from the sale of a given amount of its product is called total revenue. And total revenue is equal to formula price into quantity. What is total revenue? Write down the total amount of income received by the firm, the total amount of income, total income which a firm is receiving. Okay, the total amount of income received by the firm from selling a given quantity of its product, from selling a given quantity of its product, comma, is called total revenue, full stop. Total revenue short form is TR. So when you write the heading total revenue, under bracket write TR. So what is total revenue? Total amount of income received by the firm from the sale of a given quantity of its product is called total revenue. Formula write down TR equal sign P into Q. TR equal to total revenue is equal to P into Q. Okay, P into Q. Write down P means, TR means you know total revenue. What is P? Price per unit. P is what? Price per unit. And then Q is what? Quantity of output sold. Quantity of output sold is your Q. Now next write down average revenue. What we write? What is the keyword for average? Per unit. Okay, so what do you mean by average revenues? Write down the amount of revenue earned by selling per unit of product. The amount of income received, you write, the amount of income received by selling per unit of product is called average revenue. Is called average revenue. The amount of income received by selling per unit of the product is called average revenue, full stop. Then write one more line. Average revenue is the per unit revenue of the firm. Is the per unit revenue of the firm, full stop. Formula write, AR is equal to TR upon Q. AR is equal to TR upon Q. And elaborate it. TR formula is what? P into Q. Okay. So AR is equal to TR upon Q, or in place of TR you will write P into Q upon Q. Q will be cancelled. What is left? P. Is it clear? So AR is equal to price. AR is nothing but the price of one commodity. Average revenue is nothing but price of a commodity. Just remember it. Suppose this pen is produced in 10 rupees. So what is the average? What is the price of this pen? 10 rupees. What is the average revenue? 10 rupees. So AR or average revenue is nothing but the price of the commodity. Now write down the third one, which is called marginal revenue. Short form write MR. What is marginal revenue? Addition made to the total revenue. Okay, what is? Because we know marginal revenue, addition made to the total revenue by selling each additional unit of the product. So write down the meaning of marginal revenue, short form MR. Addition made to the total revenue from the sale of one additional unit of the product. Addition made to the total revenue from the sale of one additional unit of the product, comma, is called marginal revenue. Full stop. Formula write down. MR is equal to TRN minus TRN minus 1. Is it clear? So children, today I have explained you also one more formula is there. MR is equal to delta TR upon delta Q. Two formulas of MR. MR is equal to TRN minus TRN minus 1. MR is equal to delta TR upon delta Q. Okay, now, so what do you mean by total revenue? Total amount of revenue received by the firm from the sale of a given amount of output is called total revenue. What is the formula of total revenue? P into Q. What is average revenue? Average revenue is the amount of revenue received by the firm by the sale of per unit of its product. What is the formula of average revenue? Average revenue is equal to TR upon Q, and you know the formula of TR, P into Q. So it is P into Q upon Q. So Q will be cancelled. What will be remaining? P. So average revenue is equal to P, means average revenue is nothing but price of the commodity. Then we have done marginal revenue. What is marginal revenue? Marginal revenue means what? The addition made to the total revenue from the sale of one additional unit of its product is called what? Marginal revenue. The formula of marginal revenue is 2. Marginal revenue is equal to total revenue N minus total revenue N minus 1. And second is marginal revenue is equal to delta total revenue divided by delta Q. I hope you people have understood the concept of revenue. Okay. Now the next what we are going to do, the last topic of the chapter is under revenue. Write down, we will study behavior of revenue under different market structure. Behavior of revenue under different market structure. Okay, behavior of revenue under different market structure. Okay, so we have basically two market structure. One is perfect market structure, one is imperfect market structure. Okay, so how a revenue behave in different market structure? Like in cost we have studied behavior of cost in short run and behavior of cost in long run. Similarly, here we are going to study the behavior of revenue in different market structure. Okay, and behavior of cost in long run, we have to just write the meaning of average cost and marginal cost, and nothing else we people have to do. So in my next video Today I have explained you. In my next video, I'll tell you that what you have to write in long run average cost curve and long run marginal cost curve. Is it clear? Most probably, I'm going to upload one more video today of the same chapter so that I can complete this chapter. For today only this much. Thank you, children.